Hi everyone, we meet again on the second module. So today we are going to discuss about Vaccine Confidence Index or VCI constructions. I bet this is new to all of you because this is our novelty in our research. So on the first module, we have discussed that was the urgency of the research, the phenomenon, and the research gap. So we move forward to the construction of Vaccine Confidence Index. What it is? So first, the section goal, again the same with the previous one. Student will understand the fundamental of COVID-19 pandemic, vaccine, cryptocurrencies, as well as VCI constructions. And here we are going to discuss in this module that students will be able to understand the construction of Vaccine Confidence Index or VCI. So, COVID-19 vaccine. The worldwide immunization of vaccines was crucial to the control of the current widespread COVID-19 pandemic. It is a powerful tool to end the pandemic because COVID-19 cases can be prevented. And governments and international alliances were forced to organize multiple vaccines in short timelines. So, how do we conduct the constructions of VCI itself? We constructed from the first dose, the second dose, and the incubation period. So, we also conduct the selection of the COVID-19 vaccines. First, we selected from the identification of vaccine used in the sample countries. There were Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Sinovac, CanSino, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson. And then we move forward to the next step. We identify the incubation period for each vaccine types because each vaccine types, they have different incubation period. Finally, we relied on the most widely used and distributed vaccine to ease the calculations. So, after all, we conduct the selections. We saw that Pfizer has 21 to 28 days of incubation period, and most of our selected sample use Pfizer. And then we find the benchmark country from Pfizer to construct VCI. And we decided that 28 days of incubation period is applied as representative of the highest number of incubation days. So we expect that 28 days have covered for all individuals have been fully vaccinated. And then here's the construction of the VCI. It is motivated from Salisu and Akeni 2020 when they construct the GFI or Global Fear Index. So as you can see here, this is the formula when we construct the VCI. So the VCI itself stands for Vaccine Confidence Index. It is to know the primary vaccines, the first dose and the second dose. And then the next one is the total number of the second dose vaccine at time T, the period for all selected countries, which is the I. And in total, we have 14 selected countries. We will discuss this in the next sessions. And then the N itself, where N represented the total number of cross-sections in the index. And D1, IT minus 28, it is the number of the first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine for each cross-section at the beginning of the incubation period. And the incubation period itself for about 28-day lag. And then we multiply by 10 to take the index scales for 0 to 100. The closer to 100, it means that the confidence is very high and it is good to the economic recovery. So we move forward to the quiz. VCI is constructed from except A, booster dose, B, second dose, C, first dose, or D, incubation period. So that's all for the module in these sessions. You may read again our paper in these publications. Thank you and see you in the next module.